Hey, welcome back to Fit Life Essentials. In today's video, we're going to talk about the growing trend of working out at home. Over the past few years, more and more people have shifted to working out at home, with a staggering 218.3% increase in home gym equipment sales. The convenience, cost-effectiveness, and privacy of working out at home have become major factors in this shift. Home fitness equipment offers the convenience of working out on your own schedule without the hassle of commuting to the gym. It's also cost-effective in the long run, saving you time and money. And let's not forget the privacy and comfort of your own home, where you can exercise without feeling self-conscious. When it comes to the types of equipment, options range from dumbbells to resistance bands, offering endless possibilities for full-body workouts. Dumbbells or kettlebells, resistance bands, or yoga mats, the options are endless. And if you're wondering how to get started setting up your home, gym space is easier than you think. Find a dedicated area in your home and equip it with the essentials that suit your fitness goals. So if you're ready to level up your fitness routine and enjoy the benefits of working out at home, be sure to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more tips and tricks from Fit Life Essentials. Thanks for watching.